I've been sitting out here for over 10 minutes. I want to show y'all something. This nest has a bird sitting in front of it, not on the eggs. Try to zoom in. And it has been sitting there the whole time we've been out here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Oh! I didn't mean to scare it. Anyway, look at all the things that it's put in his nest. All kinds of plastic. And I'm going to have to Google, or not Google, I have a lot of bird books. I'm going to have to go to my bird books, maybe, and see what kind of bird that was. But it sat there for like 10 minutes just watching me and Miracle. Yeah. Anyway, I just think birds are so inventive. The way they can build those nests and the materials they find. I found nests that the tags that come on my flowers will be in them. And I found my flower tags all through the woods. You ready to start walking again, Miracle? Okay.